Hi, I have here a Hallmark Keepsake up on the Housetop, Christmas 2015, and I did a test video, which is on here also. I'm going to show you the condition in video. It's absolutely in perfect condition. Everything works. Doors open. Reindeer do what they're supposed to do. Santa also, and it opens and closes in the top right window and the bottom where Christmas tree and Santa comes out. You can see in the video. Here's the condition of the side. Let's see if we can turn around back. Oh, there's that side. And then there's the back. I mean, no scratches or marks or anything. Let's see if we can get a closer picture up top. Here we go. There those little guys are. It's in really good condition, like new. Let me see if I can get it on the bottom. Excuse me, I'll be right back. It has the original box right there. I'll show you in a second. Let's see, on the bottom, in really good condition. There's new batteries in it. And she's pretty.